Welcome to our channel, where we simplify your tech tasks with easy step-by-step guides. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify your tech tasks with easy step-by-step guides. Today, we will walk you through how to log into your HP Instant Ink account with clear and precise instructions. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in the official HP Instant Ink website URL and press Enter. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this button to be directed to the login page. Here, you will be asked to enter your registered email address or username associated with your HP Instant Ink account. Make sure to type it accurately to avoid errors. After entering your email or username, move to the next field and input your password carefully, keeping in mind that passwords are case-sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, there is usually a Forgot Password link nearby that you can click to initiate a password reset process. Once you've filled in your credentials, review them one more time and then click the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. After a successful login, you will be able to view your subscription details, print usage, and manage your account settings. Should you face any trouble logging in, ensure your internet connection is stable and consider clearing your browser cache before trying again. Following these steps will make logging into your HP Instant Ink account straightforward and hassle-free. At the end of the day, managing your printer ink subscription becomes simpler when you know exactly how to access your account without any stress.